everybody, and welcome back to the channel. What we're going to do today is try to get this all put back together for the most part, at least the engine and the rear end, and get the wheels back on it, and maybe even try to fire it up. We'll see how far we get. But what I'm going to do today is I'm going to, since you already watched me tear it all apart, I'm just going to do a fast forward video for this. That way I can have music in the background and stuff, because even with the music as low as I could get it on my radio in here, somehow that stupid copyright crap picked up on it on my last video, so we're just going to do it without audio. Well, I'll add audio to the high speed, but anyways, let me get you guys set up and then we will start tearing into this. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and let's get going. Alright guys, I got it mostly put together. I still got to redo the seat. My hands are just too dirty to do that right now, but I got to put a new cover on it. We'll see if it'll run. It's going to smoke a little bit because I couldn't clean out the exhaust. That's full of oil. That's if it even starts. So let's hook up a battery here. I did run power to it and check to make sure that the lights and everything were working. moment of truth. Damn, it fired right up. It's not smoking a whole lot or anything. Sounds really good, really. Alright folks, I'm going to go eat some dinner and then I'm going to come out and we'll put that seat together. Stand by. Alright guys, that's going to wrap this one up. Seat looks pretty good on there. We got it all back together. When I was running it, it was smoking quite a bit, and I was wondering what it was, because it didn't smoke when I first started it. But after about 5 minutes of running, it was really smoking. Well, I figured out what it was. It was all the exhaust, the oil that was caked up in the head and in the exhaust and stuff burning off. After about 10 minutes, it was completely gone. It doesn't smoke a bit now. But anyways, guys, that's going to be the end of this one here. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, peace.